penthouse suite offering vacation rentals here in Waikiki, Honolulu. And look at the background. Wow. Stunning. So this is one of the various lanais that it offers in this penthouse suite on the 28th floor. We'll be getting more details soon. Aloha. Alright, I just wanted to show you the type of view they have from the bath. It'll be nice to see that those jets are working too. Let me see that view there. Oh my. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, so can't wait to let you see the finished touch. A lot of work to do, but it's coming. Aloha. You can't get rid of me. I have to show you another balcony that it offers. And this is from the kitchenette dining area. And this is going to be a great sunning place. We have this lanai. The sun is right on me. A great place for a nice tan and a cocktail, of course. So in one of the lanai here at the living room, this is at the east end, the Diamond Head End lanai, and spectacular view no matter where you're at. Let's see here. You can see the helicopter. I'm competing with the noise outside. Boats coming in. It's the one of the catamaran. And just for perspective, right now you're looking at the Halekulani Hotel right in front here. There's the beach. And from the Halekulani Hotel, we have the neighbor hotel. That's the Outrigger Reef Hotel. And just beyond that, you see is another hotel next to the Reef, Outrigger Reef, is the Waikiki Shore, which we manage. And way out there is the Hilton and its lagoon. And Trump Tower is actually right next there. You see the glass? So here's another part of the view. This is actually looking east, so the sunrise will be out here. And the neighboring hotel is the Sheraton Waikiki. And this is the side of the vantage point from the lanai. Beachside, Waikiki Beach, Halekulani Hotel. Can't get enough of the view. Sunset, of course, looking west. Now I'm at the west end of the lanai. And that's Hilton to the far backdrop. See the rainbow on the side. Hilton Hawaiian Village. They got the cove there. And then Trump Tower is smack right there in the foreground. But right next here across is Embassy Suite. And then the cross street, Kalia Road, and this is Lewers Avenue. Lewers, straight all the way can see where Lewers, also adjacent is Beachwalk, is the next block over. This is where they have lots of entertainment, and down below Poplar is the Yard House. And looking towards the mountain, this is like north. The two towers there, it's the Ritz-Carlton. So great location. You can see all the trees there. It is a park. It's called Fort DeRussy Park. Once again, a wonderful block situated here at the vacation rental offering, a penthouse. Yet to be named. That's the big question. Where is this? Soon to be announced. Alright, you see the vantage point of the living room. It's going to be pretty spectacular. Who wants to watch TV in the living room where you have an awesome panoramic view of Waikiki, and it's the emerald green ocean, Waikiki Beach. So this offering will be a 2-bedroom, and the living room would have an accent sofa sleeper if you have a guest. But there's 2 beds. One is a king size and one is a queen size. That makes up the 2-bedroom. And there's 1.5 bath. And let's see. So it has a kitchenette and a formal dining area. It has washer and dryer in the unit, which is nice, and a lot of other perks. And so can't wait until you see the finishes. I just thought I'd preview. At least the view. Oh yeah. So, can't wait to show you the actual report, and look forward. Coming soon.